How you doing? I'm sitting in my classroom and I began to think about the expression too, T-O-O. 한국말로 to는 너무. 근데 too 얘기하면 usually very negative. Too expensive to buy. 너무 비싸서 못 사요. Too expensive to buy. Too hot to work. 너무 뜨거워서 날씨가 더워서 일 못해. Too hot to work. Sometimes TOO can be positive. Too smart to quit. 똑똑해서 포기하면 안 돼. Hey, too smart to quit. 저처럼 too young to die. 너무 젊어서 죽으면 안 되죠. Too young to die. Anyway, some thoughts about too. Have a beautiful day.